Hello friends, welcome back to Start a Small Garden. Today we're going to share with you on how to grow Swiss chards at home from planting to harvest. So let's get started. Swiss chard is one of the easiest vegetables that you can grow in your garden. It's perfect for any beginner gardener or expert that you can harvest from spring, summer, fall, or even in winter. Depends upon in your zone or location. If you have mild winter, you can definitely grow Swiss chards all year round. Swiss chards are perfect if, for example, you have a small space garden because they are amazing come cut again vegetables. I'll recommend to plant them in moist and fertile soil, and you can grow them in full sun or shade area. They can also thrive in pots, containers, or in ground. If, for example, you have some garden that has container gardening, this is perfect as well. For Swiss chards, it is important to give them enough space if you want to have them big leaves. But if you don't have big space, you could also plant them in close space or together in groups and harvest them as microgreens or for vegetable salads. For fertilizers, we highly recommend to fertilize them with high in nitrogen in compost. I have an in-ground compost next to my Swiss chard planters or garden, and they're amazing fertilizer that which is really just composed of kitchen scrap directly in ground, and you can fertilize them once a week to boost their growth and for their overall health of your Swiss chard plants. Swiss chard plants will become or likely pest free when you plant them along with other leafy vegetables like turnips, radish, basil, and some herbs, as they will protect your Swiss chards from pests. And you can also plant onion greens or garlic chives along with your Swiss chards to deter pests or for pest control. So you can sow them twice a year. It depends on the area or location you have and the quality of the soil and the care you give to them. So for the Swiss chards, they were planted in early spring or winter, and still they're producing lots of beautiful leaves in the garden. Swiss chards can have long stems, so when you plant them, you can plant them deeper, and then their roots will not be exposed and not be damaged by strong winds. There are so many Swiss chards varieties and colors that you can choose from, are like bright lights and the very well-known Fort Hook giant. Swiss chard leaves are similar to beets. So for watering, Swiss chards benefits from deep watering. When they don't receive enough water, their stem becomes woody or hard, and when you water them too much, the leaves starts to yellow and they can be susceptible to some pests and brown spots. I'll recommend to mulch them around, especially before the weather gets hot. Really, when from the time you planted, I'll recommend to mulch it ahead to protect it from drying out and also conserve the moisture. For harvesting, which is one of the exciting part, you can cut the entire stem all at once, at least 2 to 3 inches left from the base, or harvest the leaves one at a time. Since you can harvest Swiss chards leaves in different stages, like this time the stem or the stalk already is a little bit mature, so you can definitely saute them. I love to saute them until they become tender, and you can put them in pasta sauce or stews or even soups if you like. They are very, very versatile vegetables and very easy to cook, so you will not run out of any idea how to prepare them. Incorporate them in salad. This I mix with avocado and hemp seeds, olive oil. You can put them in pasta and different dishes. Really, you can get imaginative where you can prepare them, really, because they're similar with spinach, but this one is Swiss Chards has this really rich, some tender, different texture, and sometimes I like to mix it with different leafy greens to create creamy pesto or sauce, and it's really amazing. Enjoy blanching them or putting them in different sauces, green sauce, and blend them together with Parmesan cheese, and then seal it with olive oil, and you could really freeze it, and it's really very easy to prepare and really great for vegetarian if you want vegetables like Swiss chard to grow in your garden. So there you guys, that's how to grow Swiss chards at home from planting to harvest. And thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, I have a playlist every guys, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.